Hello children, welcome back to my channel. In last lesson we learned about continents. In this lesson we will learn about major landforms part 2. So let's start. The oceans. The 7 continents are separated from each other by large stretch of water called oceans. The oceans of the world are all connected to each other. The oceans are full of living beings that have adapted to the salty water. Plants and animals that live in ocean are called marine life. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest in the world. It covers more of the Earth's surface than all the dry land put together. It touches all the Earth's continent except Europe. The Mariana Trench near Mariana, Iceland is the deepest trench in Pacific as well as in the world. It has a depth of 10,911 meters. The Pacific Ocean contains some of the world's most important trade routes. It contains a rich variety of plant and animal life. The Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic is the second largest ocean of the world. It is an S-shaped ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is bounded by the continent of Europe and Africa to the east and by North and South America to the west. It extends from south. Its long undersea mountains ranges lie beneath the middle of the Atlantic. It is known as a mid-Atlantic range. At places it reaches about sea level to form Iceland. This is the unique feature of ocean. The Atlantic produces much of the world's total fish. It has a large deposit of petroleum, natural gases and coal. The Indian Ocean. It is the third largest of the world's ocean. It is the only ocean that is named after a country. The Indian Ocean lies between Africa on the west, Australia on the east, Asia on the north and Antarctica toward the south. The Java Trench in the Indian Ocean is the second largest trench in the world. Several important rivers flow into it, including the Gangas, Brahmaputra and the Indus of Indian subcontinent. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are parts of the Indian Ocean. Antarctic or Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean surrounded the continent of Antarctica. It is formed by a margin of southern part of the Pacific, the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. Because of its location, it has played an important role in shipping and trade of thousands of years. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic is the smallest of the world's ocean. It lies in the northern polar region of the earth. The North Pole, the northernmost point of the earth, is located here. There is a permanent cover of ice at the center of ocean. The Arctic Ocean water is very cold. The climate of region is among the hardest and coldest in the world. Rivers. Rivers are natural source of fresh water. The water flows down from mountains and hills slope toward lowlands. Small rivers are called streams. Streams join together to form major rivers. The rivers that are formed from the melting snow of the Himalayan mountains are called perennial rivers. Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra are such rivers. The rivers of peninsular India such as Godavari, Krishna, etc. are seasonal rivers. Mountains and hills. The mountains are formed due to the inside movement of the earth. They are the highest portion of land on the earth. The tip of mountain is called peak. The sides of mountain are called slopes. Mountains are joined together in chain and this is referred to as mountain range. The Himalayas are the world's largest mountain range. Valleys. The lowland lying between two hills or mountains is called valley. Rivers and streams flow throughout valleys. People live in valley and also do agricultural activity there. Plateaus. Plateaus is a high land that is flat on top. It is also called tableland. Plateau is rich in mineral resources. The Deccan Plateau is the oldest plateau of India. Plains. Plains is a vast stretch of level land. It is generally low and flat. Plains are formed when mountains are broken down by wind and rain and rivers bring mud and soil from the mountains and leave them behind. Plains are formed in a very slow process. The largest plain of the India is the Great Northern Plain. Low flat land along the coast is called a coastal plain. These are sandy plains. In India, we have eastern and western coastal plains. Desert. A desert is dry land with little or no rainfall year after year. Due to dryness, the area has sand. Very few plants survive in the region. Life exists close to oases. There are two main kinds of desert, hot and cold desert. In India, Thar is the hot desert and Ladakh is the cold desert. The hot desert are sandy, windy, hot and very dry. Strong winds in sandy desert blow the sand into huge sand hills called sand dunes. Some of the sand dunes are moving and some remains straight. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest hot desert in the world. Cold desert remain frozen of always. Antarctica is the biggest cold desert in the world. Some other landforms. Iceland. Iceland is a peak of land surrounded by water on all sides. Australia is an island continent. Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island are important islands of India. Peninsula. Peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. The southern part of the India has the Indian Peninsula. Bay. Bay is formed when a part of sea fills up a wide curve in the land called a bay. For example, the Bay of Bengal in India. Lake. Lake is a large body of water surrounded on all sides by land. The Caspian Sea is the world's largest lake. So